Do you know how and when to use COD pronouns in French or complément d'objet direct en français? Look at this sentence. Je mange la pomme. Je la mange. Here, I erase la pomme and I replace it with la before the verb. Je is our subject. Mange is our verb. The verb manger. La pomme is the direct object. So I remove the direct object and I replace it with la. But why? To avoid repeating the same noun again and again. Instead of saying je mange la pomme, j'adore la pomme, j'aime la pomme, we replace it with the pronoun la to make the sentence shorter and more natural. So we use COD pronouns when we don't want to repeat the name of the object many times. Instead of repeating the same noun, we can replace it with COD pronoun. But what is the formula? To use a COD pronoun, the first thing we must know is the gender of the object. Without knowing the gender, it's not possible because in French, every noun has a gender. So each object is either masculine or feminine, and choosing the correct COD pronouns depends on that gender. Okay, look at these sentences. Je mange la pomme. Je mange le kiwi. Je mange la fraise. Here, instead of saying je mange la pomme, I can also say je la mange. Instead of saying je mange le kiwi, I can say je le mange. Instead of je mange la fraise, we can say je le mange. But why? Why do I use le, la, le? Why not only la for all of them? Because here, la pomme is a feminine noun. Le kiwi is a masculine noun, and les fraises is a plural noun. For singular objects or people, we use me, te, le, la. For plural objects or people, we use nous, vous, les. Here, if we want to replace an object, we must choose le, la, les, because me, te, nous, vous refer only to people, while le, la, le can replace objects or people. So for masculine object, we use le. For feminine object, we use la. For plural objects, we use les. For people, me, te, nous, vous, le, la, les. Some examples. Je vois le chien. Here, le chien is a masculine noun, so we should use le before the verb je le vois. Je regarde la télé. La télé is a feminine noun, so we should use la. Je la regarde. J'invite mes amis. Mes amis is a plural noun, so we should use les. Je les invite. Je connais Paul. Paul is a man, so we should use le. Before the verb, je le connais. J'écoute les enfants. Les enfants is a plural noun, so we should use les before the verb. Je les écoute. Il nous invite. Il me voit. Elle vous écoute. Always, always the COD pronoun before the verb. I hope that next time, instead of saying je vois le chien, you will say je le vois. And instead of saying je mange la banane, you will say je la mange. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ciao!